been a long time since we started the Buick up, so let's open her up here. Nifty. So this Italian is outside mowing. Let's see if he complains. I don't think he will, but we'll see. I have not started this since the last video I had, which was back in January or February. It's been 2.5 months, maybe even 3, since this has started. So I'm just going to roll my window down and then we'll see if it'll work. Battery might be too dead. Lights look dim. In fact, let's just try it now. There's 8. I've already checked all the fluids. No way! It's been 5 months. I mean 3 months. This is how it runs now. When it starts, when it's cold, it's 60 degrees out. It's real shaky and look at the door. It's actually running now. So far, he hasn't said anything. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't know if I have any brakes. Well, I do. I don't feel right. They do not feel good. Oh, it's like I don't have any power assist. That's not a good thing. Yeah, there's no brakes. There are no brakes. Oh. I just checked the brake fluid yesterday or 2 days ago. I wonder if there's a leak. Here's another classic. Yeah, they don't feel good. Great, that's another thing to fix. But now it seems to be running better. So it's running very fast idle. When it starts, it's very grumbly, really doesn't want to run. Then once it gets started, it gets better. Well, it started after like 3 months, so that's nice, but I guess I gotta get it towed to have the brakes looked at, because I don't know. They're not working right at all. At all. Oh well. That's what happens when you leave shit for months. But with the pandemic that was going on, and Italians mowing their lawns, these are the things that happen. So I guess I'll let this run for a bit. The hose to the brake booster looks fine. So I don't know. That's lovely. Alright, well, that's it. The coming to get me. Running the Buick. He already called. Oh, he drove past. I think the brakes are fixed. You hear that psh, 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 psh. And they also seem to grab a lot nicer. I can really stop now. They actually stop, and it seems to be good. Let me park it, shut the engine. Oh yeah, that got rock hard. Good, they work now. I'll show you the problem. The problem was very simple. It was actually my doing, but I didn't realize. I had to cover off the brake fluid master cylinder, and I had to top up the back, whichever one that controls. And I made sure to put everything back correctly, but for whatever reason it didn't seat or seal correctly or good enough. So when I step on the brakes, I get almost no pressure in there because that seal is important on the top of these master cylinders. Either that or it just magically decided to start working, but it now works, so the car is unbroken now. So funny thing just happened. Some guy was driving by and he said, "Hey, nice car, man, blah blah blah. Oh, by the way, I got an 83. Oh yeah? Blah blah blah. Talk. Yeah, I'm looking to sell it. Oh, you know somebody who's interested? I might look at it." He says, "Okay, I'm in the area, so I'll be back in like 10 minutes. I don't know if he'll let me record it." He said he wanted $1,500 for it. He said it starts, runs, and drives, but needs a paint job. I'm not going to buy it, but I'll look at it. If he lets me record, I'll get some of that. Well, it's been well over an hour, and the dick with the Bluick never came back. So, yeah, that's real nice. Yeah, starts, runs, and drives. I'll be back in 5 or 10 minutes. So, yeah, 15, 20 at the most, right? You know? But, you know, I could see him there with carburetor spray, pumping the ever-loving shit out of it. The battery's dead. The tires are flat. It's out of fucking gas. Yeah, needs a paint job. Guy sounded fucking shady. So, I think that's going to do it for this update. I'm going to put this back a little bit later when I finish with the lawn. So, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.